gentlemen, the moment you've all been waiting for. The backside of water.
You can feel the excitement here.
It's beautiful. Their love for this film, it feels perfect.
It was amazing to see all my fans, and they
Nope,
were just
there were
going
hardly any
crazy.
of them.
There was
They
really,
were
truly,
Emily,
it was Emily, you look so
Emily.
beautiful. I was like, what about me? You know, it sounds cliche, but it's true. We're here because of the fans.
Hold on! Welcome to the biggest premiere of 2021. Yes! Everyone has their skipper hats. We should take a big selfie. All right, here we go. 1, 2, 3.